Hello everyone, welcome back again to the garden. Today I'm just at it again and I was just repotting some hydrangeas, favorite flowers guys in the garden, and I want to show you guys how those south the Carolina cypress are doing. They're in 15-gallon pot, as you guys know, and I purchased them on 7-gallon, which is the 15-gallon is too small for them because they was on 7-gallon. The roots was going crazy, and I was supposed to put them on 25-gallon. Since I didn't want to put large pots in the front here, that's the reason I put them on 15-gallon. The reason I thought I was gonna repaint those pots, making it a nice color like that gray color right here. I was starting, but I didn't finish it. I have a good reason, and I can tell you got the reason now because I didn't want to finish spray everything, and then I'm going after that. I have to remove everything again to fix everything again. Look at how beautiful these flowers. I think I need to get more coating on this one, and yeah, they right there, and it is has dry here in Florida, guys. It's very bad here, but I water them twice a day when I can't. And look at this, you can see there's a lot of brown. Oh my god, those are not looking good, but I know why. It's because they've been dry. But you know what, as soon I can have space to put them and give them fertilizer, and they will look really good. Those supposed to be really blue, and even now you can tell the difference. They really light blue and the dark green over there. I love both of them. They beautiful with that green grass over here. Oh my god, it is. I can. Oh my god, look at how beautiful is this grass. Oh, I'm jealous of myself. Beautiful grass, green grass. Look at this. Look at this. Oh well, so proud of myself. So proud of myself. And guys, look at all those beautiful flowers back there. Oh my god, all of them have some. They're going to have some white flowers, big white bloom flowers on them, guys. I can't wait to see that. But those are beautiful specimen. And yes, beautiful specimen right here. I just watering the grass and repot some hydrangeas, and I need to clean out some rose because I just purchased some rose, guys. Oh my god, some beautiful rose, orange rose. I love them so much. And look at those two of my friend right here. Yes, oh god, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. I did really good. I mean, I finished. I don't have anything because what I did when I purchase something, I have make sure I taken care of them before I bring more stuff in, because I don't want they will shot because it is hot. I don't want anything happen to them. But everything on 7 gallon, I think I got. Oh, I lost count, guys. I purchased for this spring season. I purchased 50 hydrangeas. No, more than 50. 50 hydrangeas you can take sun, and I lost count on those big leaves hydrangeas. Yes, I did that, and yeah, I did that, and there's a reason I did all of that. Oh, guys, thank you so much for watching.